Welcome back. What do we mean when we talk about anti-racist policies? The word policy may sound scary for many people. The reason for this is sometimes very simple. We do not understand properly what it means. To say it short, policy guides our actions. It is usually a set of guidelines, principles or rules that can be adopted and used by the organization, school, institution or a government. For example, each school usually has a general policy that regulates school life, or a specific policy on how to act in case there is violence at school. Such policies are usually proposed or developed by an individual or a group of people and then adopted by people who have some power and responsibility over the organization, like the board or over an institution. Such policy usually states what should be done, who should do it to whom, how it should be done. Most policies are put on paper in the form of the document, but we may also have so-called personal policy. For example, a set of rules, principles or standards we follow in life. Like we may decide not to eat meat as we believe it hurts animals and also has a big impact on the environment. This is a personal policy. This is not a written document, of course. Policies can also be called differently. For example, ethical code, code of conduct, etc. So as you can imagine, anti-racist policy will usually be a document that will provide a set of principles and rules related to actions to be taken if racist incident happens, or activities that would promote inclusion and diversity and make a place free from racism, discrimination and violence. For example, it may propose awareness-raising activities or educational activities. It will be also a statement of values we believe in and that should be promoted and respected in the place in which policy is being implemented. We need anti-racist policies in order to know what we need to do if something goes wrong, or to know how to prevent racism. We need them also to make it clear to everyone what we believe in and what values we promote, what we stand for. Such policies should be developed taking into account the voice of everyone in the place where policy applies. The anti-racist policies should be developed with an active participation of everyone, especially people who are affected by racism, discrimination or other forms of violence.